Hi everyone, this is Tomas from Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. With me today I have a beautiful BMW X550e with the xDrive transmission. This comes with the beautiful black metallic color, as well as these beautiful BMW LED adaptive headlights, and also with the beautiful M Sport alloy wheels. And this beautiful X5 comes with the beautiful metallic kidney rims, as well as the M Sport package on the side. When we go towards the end, we can see our full automatic boot system, as well as the helper for the backs. In the back we have plenty of space for all the family, everything. That automatically closes as well. Towards the front we have some fully electric seats, as well as the M Sport on the steering wheel. This beautiful X5 also comes with the cruise control, as well as the media settings, where we can see our CarPlay and Android Auto. Here on the center console we have our fully automatic transmission, as well as all the modes and the beautiful wood finish. Also on the center console we have some space for the cups, as well for the phone, as well as here we have plenty of space. On our navigation system we can see also our rear view mirror, as well as the sensors. On the very back we can see our beautiful full leather seats with ISOFIX, with the security system ISOFIX on both seats, as well as our two vents for the ventilation system, as well as plenty of space for all the phones here on the doors and here on the side. All our cars come with the standard 2-year warranty on our BMW approved used cars. If you have any further questions or queries, or want to book a test drive with us, my name is Tomas. Thank you for everything. Have a nice day.